Kane is in the building.
G'day guys, today I'm stretching the lower portion of the lower back with the squat stretch. Let's have a look and see how it's done. Okay guys, today we're looking at the lower back squat stretch. So this stretch is primarily targeted at the lower portion of the lower back, really good for anyone with a lot of lumbar lordosis or like that extra curvature in the lower back. More common probably in women with the wider pelvis. So coming down into the bottom position, we're going right into the fetal position, but the main thing I'm focusing on here is really as I come down, tucking the pelvis under, I'm trying to round the lower back as much as I possibly can. And as I do that, I'm releasing the breath, letting all of the air out of the diaphragm so I can go further into the stretch. Next, we have a look at another variation of releasing the lower portion of the lower back, which I find really effective for anyone that's feeling that tightness right across the base of the spine. It's just positioning yourself on a Swiss ball like in the video, and then allowing the weight of gravity and the legs to really create a bit of a traction effect on the lumbar vertebra. So you can see me here on the ball, just getting the position right. I want kind of like my belly button or my torso on the top of the ball, and basically my legs just become like a dead weight. I'm just free hanging and just allowing that to sort of like lengthen and take some of that tension out of that lower portion of the lower back. So when we stand or especially sit all day, there's definitely compression forces down on the spine all of the time. So this is a great way just to introduce really mild traction and decompress that sort of L5 to L1 section of the spine and release any tension that might be in the connective tissue and the muscles surrounding that area. You can take it up onto a chin-up bar if you've got the strength and just hang from there. But I actually find this low intensity, no effort approach to this a lot more effective. So you can spend 3, 4, 5, whatever minutes on it. You'll actually feel the shift and your back will feel lighter as you're doing it, and you'll know you've probably done enough. Hope it helps, guys. Let us know in the comments below.